constantly seeking perfection. I think if you're going to do anything, why wouldn't you want to take it to that level and make it the best it could possibly be? What excites me is solving problems, taking an idea that's just an idea, a diamond in the rough, or whatever you want to call it, understanding it, and then working through sometimes countless design iterations to come to what is ultimately an elegant solution. Sometimes you get it quick, sometimes it takes 10 years. We didn't set out to design eyewear just to design eyewear. We set out to apply our design principles to a piece of equipment. I've always had this philosophy that the product will almost design itself if you ask all the right questions and look at it from all angles. When we first thought about this project, we knew we wanted to approach it with the same attention to detail and from the same perspective that we approach everything we design. In this case, we spent a lot of time thinking about the fit.
Years in the military and over a decade in special forces, I've learned a thing or two. One of them being the importance of footwear. If your boots fail you, you might too. People at 511, they don't just create their products in a vacuum. They get input from the guys and gals in the room. Why are the ATAC 2.0 so good? Because the wizards at 511 took all the original features and added even more. Ones, well, quite frankly, I love and so do you. Of all the features, the ones I love the most are these soles. Flexible, lightweight, you can still feel everything beneath your feet and you're still protected. Regardless of your mission. 16-hour patrol, fast open out of a helicopter, just hiking the backcountry. You need quality footwear.
Introducing the Atomic Bear line of everyday carry tactical pens, a collection of high-functioning, utility-driven defensive riding tools. The SWAT pen, an anti-slip grip ballpoint that slides into a practical heavy-duty nylon belt sheath. A tactical pen that gives your riding a smooth finish. The MTP6 pen, a high-utility concept with a dual-mode flashlight. Featuring an easily assembled multi-tool to take on everyday tasks. Built for preparedness and tailored to fit the needs of the individual. The Rebel Pen, a sleek tactical writing instrument with a below-the-radar design. Practical elegance constructed from unbreakable military aircraft-grade aluminum. Each pen comes equipped with a defensive blast-breaking tungsten tip on the business end, which can be quickly deployed in a reverse grip position for maximum striking power. All of these pins are machined for perfect weight and balance, and textured to provide a perfect feel. Built to take a beating and give it back in spades. The Atomic Bear Everyday Carry